Hello and welcome to Target AFO YouTube channel, and I'm here to help you crack the IBPS AFO exam. Welcome to our daily quiz session designed to help you prepare for the AFO exam. If you are miss our day 5 target topics, check out my previous shorts video for more information. Without any delay, let's start our quiz. First question: IISS is located in dash. Leave your answers in comment section. Second question: annual world precipitation is dash. Leave your answers in comment section. Third question: according to Planning Commission, India has been divided into dash agroclimatic zone. Fourth question: dash soil conservation measures adopted in lands where slope ranging from 16 to 33% on undulating land. Fifth question: popular variety suitable for bread making dash. Sixth question: chaffy grains with a black spot in rice due to dash. Seventh question: monophagous pest of rice is dash. Eighth question: tree banding is useful for control dash. Ninth question: acrobacterium mediated gene transfer is only effective for dash. The last question: crystallization of virus particles, that is TMV, first obtained by who? Leave your all answers in comment section. That's all for today's quiz. Review your answer and get back tomorrow for more challenging questions to enhance your preparation for the AFO exam. Good luck! Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Feel free to leave your queries in the comments below. Let's crack this exam together.